Hey guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will talk about debugging our script using bash, right? So sometimes when things don't go according to the plan, you need to determine what exactly causes the script to fail. And bash provides extensive debugging feature. The most common is to start up the subshell with the -x option. Okay, so there are some options we can use to debug our script. Now this is the script I have written in the last video, and this is nothing but just looping around a while loop and printing the value of count, right? And if any error occurs, if the error is 2 and if the script runs successfully, we were trapping this thing, right? This signal, right? So this was the previous script we were running. Now normally when you run the script, you can just run it like this and it will execute perfectly fine, and you don't need to do anything. But sometimes you forgot, for example, this parenthesis, and when I run the script once again, I can see the error, right? So this time it's pretty straightforward and it's a syntax error. So it says syntax error near unexpected token done, which is on line 11. So 11 is here, right? And the problem is here, but we are pretty close because the problem is in the while loop, right? So it's pretty close. So bash will give you the error and even the line number where the problem is coming. But if you want to debug more, you can use this -x option. So you can run the script with this, and then you just need to give for example bash -x option, right? So just write bash -x and the name of your script, and then press enter, and now you will be able to see more verbose operations. So you can see what happens. First the file is declared, and then the trap is set, and then the pre-id is created, so PID is printed. So whatever steps or commands are executed in sequence, it's going to print all of it, right? So you can see now we are in the this while loop, and then the sleep of 10 seconds comes, and then the counter is increased, and then the value of count is printed, right? So whatever steps are happening, it's printing everything. So in this way, whenever some problems occurs, you will be straight away be aware that your script is not working according to the plan and the problem is coming from here. Okay, so this is one option you can use to debug your script. So what is the option? The option is, let me clear the terminal, and the option is bash -x and then the name of your script. So it will run your script with this debug option, and it's going to give you step by step what's happening in your script. Okay, now there is the similar option in your bash script also you can apply here. So instead of writing -x here, for example, you want to run this script like this and you don't want to use in the command line -x, right? So how you can use this debugging inside your script? So what you need to do is you need to use the set option. Okay, so set option can be given like this. So first of all, you can write -x at the top here also. So after this hash bang bin bash, when you write -x here, then when you run the script, it will give you the similar output. Okay, so you can use -x option at the top here also. Okay, so this is one way of using -x. the other way was using the terminal, right? And let me show you the another way of using this minus x, which is by using the set option. So you can do set minus x, and then it will start your debugging from the point where you set minus x. Okay, so what is set minus x? So set minus x activates debugging from the point it's written, right? So from here, activate debugging. Now there is one more option, which is set plus x. So you can just write set plus x at any point in the script. So just write like this, and it deactivates or stop your debugging from this point wherever plus x is set. Okay, so let me run the script once again and let's see what happens. So you can see for 2 lines until the line 6 we saw this kind of debugging, and then the script is running normally. Okay, so it's not going to show you the debugging output kind of a thing. Okay, so this is also how you can debug your script. So there are basically 3 ways I have shown you. One is by using bash minus x and then the script name of your script. You can directly give in the terminal debugging option, and then it will run fine. Other is by just adding minus x at the top after shebang bin / bash, and then this option, then debugging option will be activated. And by using the set minus x, which starts the debugging from this point, and set plus x, which stop the debugging at the point where it's written. Okay, so these are some of the debugging options you can use in your bash scripting. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.